in the game. Hello, gameplay. Will you show us? Close up. Got him! Bang! Hello, just we call rest or battle bits remastered. We've done that a lot of YouTube videos. Let's see. One really basic. Ond rest bach dwi'n nôl i'n aba. Ydych chi'n cadw'n iawn. So, cos fi di'r goat, dwi wedi hapus efo hein. A llai fatha. No. Turn. Os na fath yn yr riverbank. Dwi'n bod yn riverbank. Dyfa ma... Iawn, so dwi wedi safio yn y ffrindiau fi. Mae gennych chi 7 diwrnod yn hynna, ond dwi wedi gwneud hynna o 2. So mae gen i couple of days rwan i socialise. Hey, don't rush. Just leave me alone.
What's up?
What's up, Emrys? How's he hanging? Ydw i'n bach yn dywyll? Dwi'n do. Well, these murders have parents around here pretty worried. Oh, about the culprits? I was thinking about them. I don't understand them at all. It seems like a lot of effort to dump someone into a TV. Ben Villa. Dyna well. I don't know. Let's wait for Yukiko to recover. Yeah, right. Let's come back to this after we heard Yukiko's side. Oh. Hello?
What's up?
Oh yeah, if you have time after school, let's go get something to eat. Okay. Dwi angen dewis pwy dwi am bod yn bet a dim bet. Dwi'n cofio. Oh. Ja, dwi'n gwybod mae Yukiko eisiau bach ohona fi. Dwi'n gwybod ffeindio mis... O, beth yw'n yma? Funky student. Oh. Now I, the OG30, will be challenging you, the second year young blood, with a riddle. No, it's just because I'm trying to avoid studying doing you a favor here, man. But yeah, I'll present you with a key. Sad. Okay. Red goopy, grey goopy. What the fuck? Siwm allan o gwbl. Funky students. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Yay! 3 chest key, ideal. Cos dwi'n glyfar. Oh, okay. Pretty funky. Yna. Woo! Let's be the bummer. Iwsge. Iawn, iwsge byddai'n ddim. Rogo. Neb diddorol yn fama. Allan hwnna. Whoa. Okay, ma'n di fanna. O, bydd gennych chi chatter thing. Na, call. Na. Wow, the power stance. Okay, we hebben vast amser. Yusuke, let's hang out. You and me. Let's get a bite to eat.
Yo!
Spend time.
All right.
Yes! Ffeindio sy'n actually eisiau gweld fi. Oh my god. Hynna'n shocking. She called this stuff tender and juicy. What kind of teeth does she have? Oh. You can hear the women conversation. He's from Tunis. His classmate, Sato-san, he went out of business. Shopping district could disappear, and yet... Oh. Sorry about that, you know me. I'm infamous around here. Nibble, chdi. Must be tough. They were nice. That shrugs. I don't think there's anyone in about doesn't know me at school or around town. Not that I mind, but it sucks that I always get to mind my manners. Oh, look, they mind the manners anywhere there. Because if I think they're more they mind the manners. You feel understand, just get a bit more. Just get chump. Rank 2, let's go! Rank 2 friendship. Yes! Social links. We need to find new social links. Ooh! Ooh!
Okay, let's head home.
Free food.
Welcome home.
Welcome home. Hello, Nanako. Nanako. Boy. Hello, Nanako. Sharadove. A shopping channel of Venetia. Oh. Yes. Ah, the levy don't. Shit says you know Maria's. You're a student, it's okay, because you're a creep. Hey, did you hear? There's some part-time job listings on the town bulletin board now. Yes, jobs, let's go. Side, I wish there was one that let me make some quick cash. I don't think you have the diligence to handle a job that takes a lot of time. That's so mean. Maybe I don't, but I'll bet I'll be more diligent if I get a job. I bet you wouldn't do well with a job where you have to work with others because you lack understanding. Okay. I don't need to work because I'm focusing on my studies. If my grades are good, I might be able to string a raise in my allowance. That's cheating! Sigh. I wish I was born to a rich family so I don't need a part-time job. Or if I knew somebody nice enough to buy me anything I wanted. I don't think that would have been so great. There's someone like that at our school too. Huh? Oh. Girl with long hair. Here. Spoiled. Ah, yes, let's go. Transportation introduced in Europe in this era. Among them, tulips from Turkey deserve special attention. Gardening for pleasure was becoming popular, causing the price of tulip bulbs to rise. It was the world's first economic bubble incident, tulip mania. Along with the South Sea bubble and the Mississippi Company, it is said to be one of the biggest bubbles in European history. What? Hey, Mr. Hanamura, wake up. What was the first economic bubble incident in the world? What? Help, Empress. What was this economic bubble she's asking about? Oh, shit. Tulip mania. Tulip mania, though? Cheat ya. Women, they cheat ya. Cause we're intelligent. Intelligent. Tulip mania. Obviously, hold on, tulip mania. I'm not gonna make a snot bubble. Yeah. Sy'n nath I ddim gweld fi deud yr atab. I feel like we're getting a little closer to you, Sky. I'm gonna tell you what? Expression. Intelligence fi. Shh. Jobs. Be right back, toilet. Os allai ffidio bwtn mynd yn dyfu toilet. Oh, be hwnna? Nac it. Nac it. Nac it. Yes! know. You know. Yo, job. Let's get a job. Dim heddiw Iwsge, dwi isio job. Yes. Fyna. Oh. Llai. Yes. Ooh, ideal. Dim heddiw. Dos yma jobs video. Ah, pa'n dwi isio? Work that trains courage, diligence, standard expression. Persona. Golden. Work. That. Courage. Angen courage. Cofio, angen courage mynd I fenna oes. What? Pan sydd ddim? Oh my god. Gerard. O, oes dy cau. Fatha posh Gregs sydd o'n dan. Yeah? Is it posh Greg? Gerard? Ond un yn Bangor. Meddwl mod I cau. O'n I licio cael pork and apple sausage rolls nhw. Oedden ni fanna. Pork and apple. A cheese sticks. Dim stick of cheese sticks. Oedd hi a ddweud. Cau, dwi'n meddwl, do? Mae'r busnes mynd set up, do? Meddwl. Dim rei dawner. O, sa'ch chi fath wrth i fi? Na. Fama. Sal. Sal o material. Na I ddim pynnu'n byd am wan. Cos mae Yukiko mynd I joinio fi. Ond, Mary, you're here. Been waiting for you. Hey, why don't you take me somewhere? Yes. Lively place. I want to go to Jew Ness. I heard about that place. Is Mary wants to do it? Oh, just a pork and apple sausage roll then. Electronics.
Hey.
Time sale. Hey, Emrys Cohn. What a coincidence. What are you doing here? Who's this girl? She's so cute. Quite. Well, I guess so. Is that so? Can I ask you for your name? Mary. Oh, Marie. Fuck. Marie-chan, huh? Oh, that's a nice name. I'm Chi Sakanoka. Satonoka. Nice to meet you. Oh, those are the mates. I know what this is. It shows a lot of stuff. Oh, you can look at TVs too? Yeah, I want one too. We still haven't replaced our old one.
Whatever.
I don't want one. I don't, but maybe. Can you turn it into Star Scandals? So you do want one?
I said no.
No, I don't. I'm just wondering how you're supposed to watch it. Very interesting. How do you watch it? Where's Mary house? Use a TV. Huh? Are you one of those people who doesn't watch TV?
That's right.
This is the one in the room. There is one in the room. Really? Wow, you must have a strict parent. Girl, I don't think I could stand it. Life without kung fu movies? Brrr. Oh, but there's no Lautwitz in that. Excellent. Ooh. I'll tell the nose to install one of those exotic Lautwitz. There's nothing to do in. Hey, wait, Mary-chan. You don't have electricity in your room? Ah, funny. Oh, boy. Good call. You came with Mary and Chia. Wow, that was some good stuff. Satisfaction. I haven't had the steak in a while, but it really isn't all that bad. Mary-chan, you haven't eaten at all. You too, Embers-kun. You've got to eat if you want to grow up big and strong. Just kidding. You eat too fast. You're going to be fat one day. Whoa! I didn't need to hear that. I'll go get us some drinks. Oolong tea sounds good. There's a lot of people at this Tunas place. Why? Don't they have anything else to do? If they have TVs, they should be watching them instead of wasting time here. God. Mommy, I'm thirsty. I want a soda. No, just had one. You'll have to wait. I want it. I want it. I said no. You'll got your teeth. Mary watches the mother and said, Hey, do you think I was ever like that? Of course. Of course. Huh, I see. Marie seems depressed. I don't remember anything. I was just walking. I had nowhere to go. I just ended up in that car. Then Margaret told me to stay there. She also gave me the name Marie. It'd be hard to get around without a name. That must be it. I don't know. I can't even remember if it was if it was tough. That's okay. It's not like it's troubling me or anything. Despite the casual words, Marie has a concerned expression. Obviously. But I don't know why, but this sounds familiar to me. Do you remember anything else? I don't know. The only thing I remember, or more like no, is that this is mine. Where's holding an old bamboo comb in her hand? I had this from the start. This is definitely mine. But so what? This is help anything. Marie confided in you about her memory. You feel the relationship with Marie has gone deeper. Yay! Thanks. Marie's social link has reached level 2. The power to create personas of the Aeon Arcana has gone. You're searching for the truth, right? You should stop. There's no such thing.
How stupid.
This conversation is boring. Let's talk about something else. Whoa! Yeah. Sorry to keep you waiting. The shop was busy, so just order and come back here. They'll bring it to us when it's ready. Oh, is it me or is the mood a bit heavy around here? Don't worry, you two, I ordered for all of us. Oolong tea for everybody.
See ya.
After talking with you, je Scots Mary back to the village. Could you mynd i'r pel droed yn Gaerdydd? Oedd o dat Welsh Oaties.
Welcome home.
Welsh Oaties? Dwi'n gwybod, dwi'n gael Welsh Oaties. It's ages. Welcome back. Hello, Nanako. How are we today? Today at school, everybody was talking about jobs. I want to work too. Nanako, ti'n gweithio lot yn gael. Tara, Nanako. Right. Ah! Bit of a ma. Well, build it. Nah. Ah, ja, warte mal. Ah, je neemt me billen dan. Ja. Wat? Welsh Oaties. Ond ie, dwi'n meddwl fod Gerard's allan y busnes, dwi'n meddwl. Dim mwy o Welsh Oaties i chdi, sori dydzy. O, allai weithio fe yma. O, ie. Ie. Dwi'n casually darllen fel la. Be? Spirit of two manhood transcends space and time. You're more like a real man than ever before. Still some pages of the lovely man left. Decide to save it? Ah. Today, you have a day off. All I can do is wait for you cues to push today. Evo, bwys o gwmpas. Hey, Nanako. Anything else? I can wash the house. Ideal, aware. Yes. No! Woo! Dwi'n Llangollen dal I fynd, lle, Gerard's. Dwi'n reid siwr mae Gerard's... Helo? O, yn Bangor, sy'n cael. Iawn, fair enough. Yay! Buy items. Fe brynu un. Dwi'n mission. Ww. Ai. Helo. Pobl yn gyda'n sefyll yn... Dwi'n miss those Wrexham Babs. Be? Dwi'n byth y beth yma. Ogledd Cymru, clwb. Be di Wrexham Babs? What a fucking thing ar y Wrexham Bab? Wrexham Bab's yn thing? O, Gerards. Dal nhw eisiau'r WordPress icon. Gerards. Beth fel yna, de? Bala. Corwen. O. List. Cookies. Not delicious kind we bake. So social media. Food. Hmm. Maen nhw'n neud Hovis, what? You make a full range of white loaves together with wholemeal. Hovis. Beth di ho... O'n i'n meddwl cwmni bara y Hovis. Make a full range of white loaves. Hovis. Yeah. Produces flour. Will be a mother's pride. Bring me a food. Food. Right. I can call her.
Last stop on round would be old Ma Peggotty's place. 'Twas like taking bread to the top of the world. 'Twas a grand ride back, though. I knew baker at half kettle on, and doorsteps of hot always ready. There's wheat germ in that loaf, he'd say. Get it inside you, boy, and you'll be going up that hill as fast as you come down.
Well, this still has many times more wheat germ than ordinary bread. It's as good for you today as it's always been.
Je moet nou order etwas, okay? Hey, de grote zee. Iets verspreid. 12 months, de gewoon. I'm hinna there. GT. Want u nou snijden? Kunnen we speertje? Kunnen we speertje? Gewoon die speertje.
I got out.
Nou, kijk hem hierna.
Imagine
Hem gewoon.
the thunderous impact of the scrum, the thrill of an attack.
Gewoon die speertje.
I have to say this. We have top players, and I'm sorry, I'm a bit arrogant. We have a top manager. Again, please don't call me arrogant, because what I'm saying is true. I'm European champion, so I'm not one of the bottle. I think I'm a special one.
Well, dat was speertje. Wie zit in de speertje enorm? Okay. Well, I got in there.
Huh?
Yeah, let's go. Yes. Let's go. Dat is nul van mij. Dat is die poort van mij. Doe wij. Oh, het is een generic.
Welcome home.
Ah, ik zo cold in daar.
Well,
Wat doe je geschenkt mee? Read my book. Huh? You feel more like a real man than ever before. You have finished reading. Yes. Answer a skull. You're here to student. Culture clubs accepting new applicants starting today. Eh? You're welcome to join, even if you're already in a sports club. Which culture club should I join? You're going to join a sports and cultural club? Aren't you going to end up half-assing both of them? Ouch, you don't have to be so harsh. I mean, put some thought into it. Studying and grades are important, but I thought I should join a club and improve my personal skills. Oh, then do you want to join our club? If you're serious about it, we'd welcome you. Gotta get ready. Yeah. My bag! So we're gonna join the club. Whoa, good morning today. I'll have you run so much, you'll have sore muscles. Ah, don't look so sad. Everything requires muscles, after all. Why am I going to make you run until you're sore? Because that's how your muscles grow efficiently. Wel rwy'n ti bod fyny'r wyddfa yn ddiweddar. Mae boi yma'n siarad sad. muscles fi'n breifo, maen nhw well. Dad, mae boi mae'n dod o. Why am I... Hey, hobo! Answer this one. What's it called when you gain more muscle after getting sore through exercise? Look, what? What? Overcompensation. Right. You must be working out, hobo. That's right, it's called overcompensation. Gains. Big, big gains. If you rest for a couple of days after getting muscle soreness, you'll have more muscle than you started with. If you use this to your advantage, you can gain muscle efficiently. Now, enough jibber jabber. I'll have you run until you're sore. Forget about your other classes, just run. Work hard, you can do it. Ha 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 ha! You answered correctly. Yes, not doing it. Let's go. Okay. Okay. The Math Faculty Office. The Math Faculty Office. Hello. Faculty Office. Ja, du... Von die Faculty Office. Nah. Time in the library. Bath a loser. Nah. Oh, under. Okay, under. Nah. 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 No. The fuck for Faculty Office? Hey. Point it. God. God, the danger scum. Nice. Yep. Go inside Asmo Clubs. Let's go. Whoa. Huh. Yeah. Oh no, I know you're really what you're after. You're just trolling for girls, aren't you? Admit it. Oh. Listen up, club's supposed to be. For some reason you find it still wants to join the club? Ooh! Beth dwi'n gofyn amdan? Oh fuck, dwi'n lle rhan. Na, chi? Top. Sports club? Cultural club to multiple clubs. Multiple club. Okay. Basketball. Okay. Can you join the soccer club or the basketball club? What? They leave the faculty office, make left, and go through the exit down. Okay. Bam, culture. Drama club or the band. Monday. Did you hear you? Monday. Oh, ideal. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Fuck off. That's all, Matt. Let's join some clubs. Okay. They're a band. Drama club. Ta. Oh. Vabbè, quindi join a drama club. Join the club, let's go. Girls, yeah. Got some girls in the club. Drama club. Let's move to the tongue twisters. Ready? Six chick cheek, six cheap. Ah! Sick cheek, sick cheap, sick. Are you still not seeing it? You're still not seeing it, really? Are you sure you're the club president? Oh, a new guy. You're a hobo from second year, right? That stands for students? I see, I see. Welcome to the drama club. I'm the club president. That guy. And this is...
I'm Yumi Ozawa.
I'm Yumi Ozawa. I've got voice lines. I'm more important than him. I'm in the second year, same as you. It's nice to meet you. Yumi, are you trying to get your hooks into the new guy already? Ooh.
Huh?
Huh? Not in the slightest. Anyway, let's continue practicing. We don't have a stage, and we haven't decided on a script yet, so we're just training. I'm sure you'll catch on. Our club meets on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. We're not going to throw you out if you don't show up, but the more you train, the better you'll get, right? I think being in the drama club helps you learn how to express yourself more eloquently. Oh yeah, I'm the club's vice president. I'm not really much help, though. That's okay, Mitan. I know you put a lot of effort into it. Besides, you're so cute. Whoa. Don't call me Mitan in front of everyone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Seems to be a friendly club. Emmerskun, forget about them. Let's practice, okay? We'll start with voice lessons. That's right, focus on your stomach. Push the air out and say ah. Ah. That was good. You've gotten a lot better than we've started. Yumi seems proud of you. Huh? School's over already. Everybody's already gone. I didn't even notice. I'll see you next time. Come to practice, okay? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Come back and cheeky over here. I'm glad to see you can take orders. Whoa. Yumi smiles cheerfully. Oh, flirtje mee. Dwi'n arfer bobl flirtio efo fi. Mae'n gwybod sut teimlo. Well, fate has brought us here. Let's do the best with what we have. You join the drama club and become acquaintances with Yumi Ozawa. Yumi is enthusiastically devoting her time to acting. You feel a faint bond forming between yourself and Yumi. Thou art I, and I am thou. Thou hast established a new bond. It brings thee closer to the truth. Thou shalt be blessed with the creating the personas of the sun I can. We should hwnna fatha new follower fi. You have established the Yumi Ozawa social link, Sun Arcana. You may earn XP bonus when fusing personas of the Sun Arcana. Oh yeah, have you ever gone to see a player musical being performed live? I have a DVD you can borrow. It'll definitely help your technique. The other members in the drama club don't watch this kind of stuff or even talk about it. Yumi passionately discussed acting as we walk home.
Welcome home.
Hello, Nanako. Woo! What? Yes! Dwi'n gallu cwcio. Obtained aromatic ginger pork caused to be in legend. Come on. You over here, students talking. Hey, did you hear? Found Yukio Senpai. Huh? Really? Huh? Does that mean she wasn't part of the case? How should I know? I've just heard people talking about it. Huh, but Yukio Senpai may have been the next target after Saki Senpai, right? The culprit's definitely going after people based on looks. What? But those two are totally different. Plus, I heard that Saki Senpai got around. Whoa. Whoa. By the way, guess what? It's gonna start raining tonight. Huh? Really? Seriously? I didn't know that. Whoa! You know? Cactus. Huh? I've heard there's this mysterious animal dwelling in the shopping district area. Supposedly knows how to search the change dispenser of the vending machine. How amazing is that? Even animals can learn the value of money. I guess I have to keep my wallets more secure from now on. Students, at your age you might not understand, but money is very important. You can't do anything without it. And you know, smarts don't guarantee wealth. Anyway, I guess I should do what they pay me to do and lecture you. Let's see. We'll have to have talking about properties of the whole numbers. Hey, Miss Satanoka, tell me which of these don't exist. Which one was this? Do you remember this? I don't think I've heard any of these. What? Is she in the living Cymraeg? Marriage numbers, obviously. That's actually correct. Next time, please just say honestly if you don't know the answer. Ah, Kopsan! Deep, huh? Anyway, let's move on. This is the Mercine pipe. It's really quite. Guess she knew I was asking. But thanks, Emrys. Cheer appreciation. You feel it become a little closer. Cheer. Your expression is deep. Lunch break. Got your lunch today? Do you wish to eat lunch with someone? Yes. Cheer. Yes. Bom, mi bitte point be. Nie, no bo. No, dzwoni się mnie. Okay, Savio.
Hey!
Laters. Yeah. Nah, rush him in. No. Kom snip je shadow weer. Let's become Nolly's skull. I don't know the date. On Tuesday. It is Tuesday. Single the drama club. That. Soccer club to basketball club. Google time. Basketball. Soccer. Please soccer club. Quiet. Thank. Sweet and bin. Soccer club. I love soccer. Alright guys, listen up. We have a new teammate. You all know Emrys Hober, right? He's from the city. So I'm sure he got some moves he's just waiting to show off. I'd say this season is in the bag. I'm even thinking about making him captain. What? You can hear the other players whispering. The city, huh? I bet he played some big team back home. Just look at him, city slicker. Probably thinks he's better than us. Yeah, we're just a bunch of hicks to him. Hey, here, why don't you say something to the team? I'm your new captain. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yeah, they don't seem very friendly. Alright, let's start with a few laps. Emrys, why don't you just watch for today? Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Yeah. Look at me. Oh.
Hey, man.
Hey, man. Ti ddim yn fucking hogging ysgol. Fuck off. Ti ddim yn disgybl ysgol. Sbi yna fo. Bring that to her. Don't let them get to you. Just play hard and have fun.
I'm Daisuke Nagase.
Daisuke Nagase, second year. Same as you. Nice to meet you.
Yo, Daisuke, you waiting for a special invitation?
Oh. What? Spit it in. The big mouth here is cool. He's the same grade as us, but he's on the basketball team.
Koichijo.
Koichijo and basketball team's up-and-coming MVP. Man, get your head out of the clouds. Hey, and that's not all. I'm pretty smart too. If you ever need help on your test, I'm your man. How about it, you're a smart guy? Stop calling me that. The team's already giving him enough cap as it is. Huh, I can hear it now. Us country folk ain't gonna get shown up by no big shot city boy. Gotta love those guys. It's not funny, man. Well, as long as he's got some skills, they'll back off sooner than or later. You played much soccer before, Emrys? A little. Then maybe this will take longer than I thought. We'll become friends with him and... Oh, okay. Yes! Vriendje. Thou art I, and I am thou. Thou hast established a new bond. It brings thee closer to the truth. Thou shalt be blessed with a creating persona of the strength I can. Kun je gewoon een follow weer Twitch mo. Streng. Damn it, now I'm behind on my laps. Anyways, wait up for me so we can walk home together. Alright, I'll go and get changed. See you in a few.
Alright, let's go
Finish
home.
watching practice and walk home. Fantastic.
Welcome home.
Yes, back. No panad. Oh. You know. No. We am stupid. Whatever. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Video? Sure. Damn in creepy. Gaan we soms doen. Gewoon dat ze... Bach o battle bits yn y ddiweddar. Ie. Bron di'n lwcio. Dwi'n lwcio dim stôn ma, ie. Hey, chdi. Wel library. O, digwydd. Ie.
Welcome.
Pam stôn. Tak tam. Dwi'n lwcio dim stôn ma, ie.
Yo!
Yo! Hey, hey. You told me this should be come cool again in 2 days. Oh man, I'm so happy. Thanks to you. Come on. You're so good. Have some song. Have some music. Hey, music it out. Okay. Fucking teen. Okay. Drama. Okay. Participating very expressing a variety of emotions. The expression has increased. Just doing fundamentals all the time gets boring, so let's try real performing. We'll hold an audition. Everyone, remember the line I'm about to say. After audition, we'll decide our role to finish it off with a 5-minute sketch. Got it? Now pay attention. What crazes me is not the light of the moon, nor the golden sea of merely to tear.
Alright, let's go for it.
Ah. What crazes me? Cheater. Don't judge. Rang. Lights of the stars. No! Lights of the moon, yeah! She cheats and she dal cael rang. Come on. Si'n efo safio, do? Efo safio. Dim much. Dim much. Oh, it's so good. Skin. Seen that, so you actually feel accidentally there. Things better job than me, please come on up. Don't say it like that. Yeah. Only standing around flirting with you a better actor. Whoa! Hey, come on, we all remember the line. We might as well do it, right? I think watching others act a good experience too, don't you, Yumi? You're right, go ahead. Just practice. I'll give it my all.
Okay.
Yay! Acting is fun. On stage or in real life, I enjoy acting. When you're acting, it's like get to take on the life of another person. Not just yourself. Not some Yumi Ozawa, but another life to live. I don't need lights, I don't need costumes. All I need is a role to play. All I need is not to be no issues. Darling. Yay! Need fishing. Yeah, need my fishing. Casually. Right. Yay. Show day. Day after school. Yeah. Let's go. Reading my book.
Due to the weekend rainfall, clear skies seem unlikely in the area. A thick fog is expected to set in tonight and remain until tomorrow morning, with heaviest concentration in the Inaba area.
What?
Anyone planning to go out tonight should take care. Now for our hourly weather breakdown.
More fog, huh? There's been a lot of that lately. Hopefully it's not a sign of more trouble.
Up at the dinner. Style.
What did I say about changing the channel without asking?
Wat ligt niet door boer trouw.
Have a great day, even during Golden Week, at your local Jeunesse. Come see for yourself and get in touch with our products. Every day's great at your Jeunesse.
Every day's great at your Jeunesse. Dad, they're going to be open during Golden Week.
I heard. Do you want to go somewhere during the long holiday?
We can go somewhere?
How about it? Got any plans yet?
Nope. No plans.
Then let's all go somewhere together.
Yay.
Jeunesse, 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 Jeunesse.
Good show.
You sure you want to go to Jeunesse? We can go there anytime. Come on, girl. Time for bed. It's late.
All right. Every day's great at your Jeunesse.
Heb ik al het thema met jou met die fucking... Wacht, hè? Wie met DJ? Die is een DJ. Ghostlight zo. Fog. Rob Johnson. Oh, no. Strap yourself in, lads. Seems the killer was short time. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning. Any better?
Yeah, I'll be coming to school again, so that'll be nice. I caused everyone some real trouble.
Yes, you did. Don't do it again.
I'm sorry. No, sorry isn't quite right. What I mean to say is, thank you.
Hey.
My mother's back to work already.
The maids are being really supportive, and I think things are going even smoother than before.
Yay!
I wonder if I was trying too hard.
Yes, you were.
I may have been too caught up in the idea that I had to do everything myself.
Yes, you were.
Ever since the incident, I feel like I can think about these things more calmly. But it's still kind of embarrassing. You guys saw everything, even the things I didn't want to admit.
Alright, a little very embarrassing. Everyone's like that.
You think so?
Yes.
Yukiko!
Yukiko!
Oh, it's Chie. Well, I'll talk to you later.
Chia byty fewn efo fi a Mari gyna. Pam dwi'n cael byty fewn efo yma? What? Yuki-san is back. That's good. I'm glad the only cutie the class was able to return. Wouldn't you guys agree? Ew! Ew! Oops, I mean, oh, you're cute. No, really. Ew! Ew. Please don't tell your parents that I said that, will ya? Don't want to get into trouble. Anyway, I have an interesting topic today. Go to your books, take a look out at the handout. Ew! The greatest canyon. Are there fucking greatest canyon solar system V1? That. Ew! Dirty man. Dirty man. I'm getting the word nonce.
Sorry to keep you waiting. The soba's yours, right, Chie?
Thanks! Oh, that smells so good! These instant noodles are just the thing to help me through club. How much longer do I have to wait on this?
It still needs a few minutes.
So why are we here? Oh yeah, we were gonna ask Yukiko what happened.
Yukiko-san, I hate to bring up stuff you'd rather not think about, but I need to ask you again. Did you recall anything about when you got kidnapped?
No. I thought I might remember something if I let it sit for a while, but as time passes, it only gets hazier. I think the doorbell rang at the entrance, and someone called for me. But when I woke up after that, I was already in the castle.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Be better.
No need to apologize. But does this mean her visitor is the culprit?
I don't know. If it's true, then that's one daring criminal. What kind of killer would ring the doorbell? The police are probably looking for witnesses, but I don't think we can expect much from them. As if the culprit wore bright yellow clothes at the scene of the crime.
I wonder why whoever it is would do stuff like this.
Cosmo fucking weird.
We won't know until we confront him ourselves. But we can be sure of one thing. It's no coincidence that people keep ending up in that place. Someone on our side is definitely kidnapping them
the
and
world
throwing them into the TV.
Dangos.
It's murder, all right.
Murder. It's murder! There's been a murder!
This guy and me are gonna catch the culprit ourselves.
Whoa, this guy and me. This guy and me. We end those day.
The police are out of their league on this case, but we got personas.
Do you understand?
Huh? I'm helping out too.
Shit, die is gofyn I chdi. Sit down. Eat your fucking instant noodle.
I can't believe someone would throw people into a place like that. I'm gonna sock whoever's doing this.
Chie.
Chie. Ik dacht aan molle reisende.
Let me help too.
Food my people die hwnna krijg. Instant ramen.
I want to know why this is happening. Especially if someone hates me so much they want to kill me. I don't want to run away from myself anymore.
All right. Then let's all work together and catch this asshole.
Yes.
Agreed.
Instant ramen dan. Yes, new friend. New friend. Let's go. Oh no, it's investigation team. No.
But how are we gonna find them? We don't have a single lead yet.
I'm the third one to be targeted so far, but I have a feeling this isn't the end of it.
Oh ja, Pam zegt hierna. Zegt die de murderer.
If we had an idea of who might be targeted next, wouldn't we have an advantage over the killer?
So we'll outsmart them, huh? Yeah, that might work. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out what ties the victims together. First, there was that announcer, Mayumi Yamano. Second was Saki Konishi, senpai. Third was Yukiko Amagi. What do they all have in common?
Helemaal weer.
Bingo. Plus, they're all women.
And all women.
How dare he target females? Now that's unforgivable. The culprit's gotta be some kind of pervert.
Also, what about this? The second and third victims had some sort of connection to the first one.
Hey, that's right. Yukiko and Saki-senpai both had connections to that announcer.
That's true. Then, does that mean females connected in some way to Miss Yamano's case are being targeted?
I think that's a safe assumption for now. There's another angle we can take too. If another person disappears...
You think they'd be on that midnight channel?
Yes.
That happened right before Yukiko was kidnapped too.
Yeah, it's hard to tell who at first, but what's important is, it's happened before the victims disappeared. Kinda like a ransom note. We still don't know why that happens, but we'll have to rely on it for now.
The next time it rains.
By the way, aren't those done by now?
Whoa, that's right! Chow time!
Niet watching a bit.
Hey, could I try just a little bit of that? Just one tiny bite?
Ooh.
Hands up the soba, pal. Go get your own if you want some.
Ooh.
Okay, just one bite. Got it?
Going to town.
Do you want to try some?
Try a bite. Second-hand kissing. Yes.
It's so good. The aroma, the flavor, and the texture all combined. This is perfect.
Oh my god.
Ah! What the hell are you doing?
Oh my god.
You ate everything!
My fried tofu.
I hope you guys understand what this means.
Oh, wait, stop! I'm sorry! I'll buy you steak. It'll be on me. You hear me? The very best.
Whoa.
Steak?
My tofu.
Oh, tofu.
Come on, Yukiko! There's steak in it for us now! We can eat instant noodles anytime we want, right?
Well, as long as it isn't too fatty.
Okay, we've reached the verdict. You are hereby sentenced to buying us steak. What wouldn't be too fatty? Filet? Ooh, filet sounds nice and expensive. Filet mignon.
Hey, you've got a pony up too. You're just as much to blame.
No!
Man, talk about great timing. We just started serving grilled steak today. We're doing our part to spread this town's specialty dish. Plus, we've already got an excellent grill.
That's just a yakisoba griddle. Oh well, steak is steak.
Steak is steak.
It's far from a filet steak, though. Yukiko, are you okay with this? It's not too heavy for you?
I'll eat it. I'm still mad.
So back on topic. I wonder what kind of person the culprit is.
If you focus just on the announcer's case, it seems like a revenge thing. Maybe it was her lover's wife.
But Misuzu Hiragi had a solid alibi, didn't she? And it seemed like she was already separated from her husband.
Really? You know an awful lot about this. Okay, what about the second case?
Enough.
Saki-senpai. She found the announcer's body. Assuming the same person killed them both, then why target Senpai?
Shuts her up.
Yeah, I think so too. Maybe she found a clue or something about the culprit.
But the killer just threw the announcer into a TV, right?
Right.
I don't think he would have left evidence the police, much less a high school student, would catch.
Yeah, exactly.
Man, I thought the countryside would be a snooze, but it's proving to be a lot more exciting than I thought. Oh, they updated the menu.
Huh? Isn't he that detective?
Hey, you were at Dojima-san's. I'm not. Oh, wait. Hey, this is great timing after all. Dojima-san said that he'll be leaving work on schedule tonight. Could you pass that on to Nanako-chan? Yo, I'm Adachi, Dojima-san's gopher. I mean, his partner.
Are you this busy every day?
Huh? Oh, well, the public seems to be getting a charge out of these cases, but we can't leave it at that.
Sorry to butt in, but could it be that the killer targeted Saki-senpai in order to silence her?
You sure get to the heart of the matter. Yikes. Of course, we're also thinking along those lines. She was killed right after the announcer's body was found. If the killer was trying to silence her, there might have been something at the scene only she would have understood. Which would mean that the culprit may be someone close to Miss Konishi. Nothing like that points to Misuzu Hiragi, so... Oh, I might have stumbled across something here. Wait, are you listening to all that? Crap, me and my big mouth. Don't tell anyone I said any of that, or Dojima-san will flay me alive. Relax, kids. The police are on the job. See ya.
You were right, Yosuke. The police are totally useless. Ah! My steak's getting cold!
Shut up about the steak for 5 seconds.
Whoa. Oh, I thought in the TV world. Okay. Okay.
Wow, this really is inside the TV. It's Teddy. Then it wasn't a dream.
Are you feeling better, Yuki-chan? I did what you said. I've been a good bear.
Oh, I see. Good boy.
Well, this bear's part of the reason we want to find the culprit.
I'm one of the group now, too. Let's work together, okay?
Yep, I was thinking the same thing. That's why I got these ready for you, Yuki-chan.
Oh, so these are what everyone's wearing. Thank you, Teddy. You're right. It's just as if the fog doesn't exist.
Hey, tell me something. How come you have so many pairs of glasses?
Excellent question. Guess what? I'm the one who makes them. I've lived here for a long time, so I came up with some ways to be comfortable here.
I see. But don't you need a pair?
Ooh, good point. Another great question. Listen to this. My eyes themselves are lenses. You didn't know?
Of course not.
Yeah.
Why are you being so mean? You act like you're not interested.
Ooh.
I'm a really dexterous bear. See how smoothly my fingers move?
What am I even looking at?
Ow!
Hey!
Hmm? You dropped something.
Oh, that's a pair I kinda screwed up on.
Ooh.
Yukiko?
How do I look?
Oh my god.
Awesome.
Do you like that one, Yuki-chan?
I want to wear this one. It's even got a nose guard.
Oh, no you don't.
How very unfortunate.
Hey.
That pair doesn't have the right lenses in. Guess I should have made an actual pair.
Aw, too bad. Here, Chie, your turn.
Man. All right. How'd it come to this?
Yukiko-san? Hello?
There goes one of Yukiko's laughing fits.
Oh no.
Never thought she'd do it when someone besides me was around. These stupid glasses are useless for investigating.
Meen wat die dangers voor die comfortable body hier nog omvast.
I mean, what the hell's this nose for anyway?
Nice work, huh? That's what happens when you guys leave me here alone and I get bored.
Well, I'm glad that she's in high spirits again, I guess.
Oh, Chie, the look on your face. It was so funny. I can't stop laughing. Oh, my stomach.
The 4th and the 5th.
Huh?
I think I might be able to get the 4th and the 5th off.
Really? Really?
What, you don't believe me?
It's always canceled.
Ooh.
Not every year. I know you wanted to go to Jeunesse, but I wouldn't mind going a little further out of the neighborhood.
Really? Can we go on a trip?
Well, it might be okay to go on a trip once in a while. I'm sure it'll be crowded everywhere, though.
Yay! We're going on a trip.
All right. Then we need to think of someplace to go. How about you? You want to come along with us?
Ois. Only assumed that he could cynnig anyway. I want to come.
Yeah, let's all go together.
Looks like Nanako wants us all to go.
En je deze niet dood dan? Ik ben fucking met een goed.
Let's bring boxed lunches.
Yeah, good idea. We're always eating side dishes for dinner. But I can't cook, and Nanako's not good enough yet to make them by herself. Well, it'll work out. That's what we got this guy for, huh, Nanako?
Yay.
Yay! Boxed lunches.
Yay. Love you. Yo. So. Reading my book. Whatever. Time. Oeh, een fun even. Okay. What? Yes, go to town. Punt voor bij jou, hè? We and then hell stuff. Yeah. Ben op je floodplain. Leg je een tent maar aan. Oh. Hey! Idee. Oh, mission. Talk to him. You know, Mario. Huh? You. Yeah. Got quest 2. Huh. Oh, Scotta. rotate a few stoners for bugs. Stoners can be found at vending. Okay. Okay. Hey, cheer.
Come on!
Come on. Whoa. Matt, calm down. So yeah. Eat by bugs. Ah, tap salt and pepper. Fuck with a tap soda. Yes. Tap. Class. Let's go. Give him some. Okay. Now, the camp feed them a fish bug. These first. Yeah. Let's go. Go to the Kina station.
Oh.
This is the city.
Weird.
Going to the city. We and people watching.
I see. Man. So that's why you're here. Dead one today. You look good in those colors. Nice girl, no doubt about that. Nope.
Ooh, what? Yeah. I don't mind. Dwi di merched sydd di sgo beth sy'n well hynna.
Come on! Huh?
Hey.
Dwi eisiau bod yn neis efo pob.
Yes.
Oh!
Hey.
Ooh. Of course.
Why?
Y bydd gwell a fi mynd i siop dillad merched.
Huh? Really? Hmm.
Da, da, da.
Hmm.
Da, 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 da. Pom, 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 pom. Ooh, DVD.
I don't get it. Hey.
Yes. Da, da.
See ya.
Welcome home!
Welcome home. Hello, Nanako. Don't point him. Alright, upstairs. Yes, come on. Come on. Class.
Oh.
Good morning. I'm going to Tunis. I'm having beer. Whoa. I'm hearing lots of chats about Golden Week, but don't forget that first and foremost, you're a student. Duties to study, you don't have time to fool around. Alright? Don't misunderstand what freedom means. It does not mean that you can live without taking responsibility. Even Pythagoras said the student, as laws are necessary for man, they are no longer fit for freedom. Next on the business, midterms are coming up next week. Results will be posted to humiliate those going. Don't want to be extreme, study hard. That's it. And you know, popularity leads into it. What the hell? What? Yay! Ollie. Okay, so beat and into. I'll keep an eye out. Quest 4. Go. 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Quest 6. Okay.
Oh.
Last. Let's go it. Save. Ooh, 2. quest. Okay. There the hookgun and rooftop. Can I mas neb yma? O, fyna ti. Da ni yn mynd. Yes. Yma. Yma. Buy weapon. Emrys bys gyda fi. Oh my god, gwahaniaeth. Yes. 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 No, didn't pass. Buy armor. Just gonna be. Okay. Sal. Go on. Just be down. Ooh. Let's get some cash. Get cash. Clever. Okay. Just do it. Oh.
Oh, he's here.
Oh.
All right,
Let's go. Okay. We angen safio stwff ar gyfer. I got 3 statue a rhywbeth byd. Gag Winter. Okay. Go to the castle. Let's go. You live on it. 13. Oh, you live a minute. Locked.
There are 3 enemies! Careful!
Here we go! We can do this!
Nah!
I can't defeat it.
Awesome! Chie-chan's in rampage mode!
I'm in your hands.
Ooh, that one!
There's only 1 enemy! Go for a first strike!
That's my true strength.
True strength.
But they're too slow!
It's not going down.
There! Uh-oh, Yuki-chan's showing no mercy!
This is what you call... Whoa.
Now's your chance! That was easy.
Now the peanut feeder. Ah! Onderin.
Someone else's turn.
Just 1 enemy left!
Yes! Come on! Ah, då har vi dit.
Congratulations, Sensei!
Another
Morning.
level for me!
Oh, that XP, innit?
I smell 2 enemies. Beat them up.
Some thick skin!
2 enemies.
Oh, punch
Charge
the
through 'em. It's down.
Keep it up,
Good move,
Chie.
Chie-chan.
Yeah, couldn't quite beat it.
It got back up. Hurry and beat it. Yosuke pounded an enemy.
Yeah! I'm on a roll today!
Ah!
There's only 1 enemy. Go for a first strike.
It's not going down.
Persona!
It's down.
Kick your shit fucking over.
Be gone!
I smell 2 enemies. Beat them up. Yosuke pounded an enemy.
Persona! There!
It's down.
Come on. Whoa.
I smell 2 enemies. Beat them up.
Someone else's turn.
2 enemies left.
So persistent.
Woohoo, Chie-chan. That's
Chie.
1.
Yikes, it's time.
Ooh, look at health regen back. Here we go, pizza. No. Back in the fight. Ben Yangan. Iawn. Dwi'n mynd i off yn y stream efo yna. Dwi am wneud executive decision o grindio off stream. Dwi'n meddwl. Wneud executive decision fi. Cos dim yn engaging. Mae'n gymaint o pobl yn gwylio stream. Rwy'n mynd i siŵr dwi'n engaging. So diolch yn fawr iawn i pawb gwylio, mainly Craig a Dydyn, a mi'n ei gweld chi y tro nesa. Dwi'n grindio hwn o'ch gwybod rhan. Ydw i'n cofio bwtwm i off yn stream. Let's have a go. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hwna ddo. So mae hwn i fod i automatically... Dwi wedi gwneud thing wan, so mae hwn i fod yn off yn ei hun. Dwi'n mynd twtio am un bwtwm man. So gobeithio hwn stop yn stream ei hun wan. Let's have a look. Dal yn streamio.